What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back today for another YouTube video. Let me turn this truck off. Okay, as you can see behind me, the truck looks a little bit different than the last time you all seen it. And if you all follow me on Instagram at JUSTINHAWKSMITH, same as the YouTube channel, you all will have already seen most of the stuff that I've done. So we are going to go ahead and quickly go over that. Also, if you all follow me on Instagram, you know that we are leaving out tomorrow or maybe day after and heading down to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina to go to Nopi Nationals. That's right. If any of my subscribers are from Myrtle Beach or around Myrtle Beach and will be at Nopi Nationals, the truck will be at Nopi Nationals this weekend. So, not that it's anything to show off yet, but we are going to be there. So, along with a bunch of powder coated stuff, one of the first upgrades or parts that we went with was the Smith's Industries 8-inch, 5-inch inlet octagon custom built exhaust tip. The trailer hitch was also powder coated. And I went around, sanded the frame down to bare metal, front to back, and went ahead and bedlinered that as well. This is a custom one-off built set of traction bars, brackets and all. Me and my buddy built them. His Instagram will be listed right here down below. Y'all check him out. He's located in London, Kentucky. If you all need anything welded up or anything built, he is the man. We worked on these things for like 3 weeks, getting them all built up. He welded everything, all of the bracing. Me and him worked on all of the bends and the measurements and all of that stuff together, and then he welded everything up, done a fantastic job on the welding. So big shout out to Charles King. Like I said, Instagram will be right here popping up on the screen. Go hit him up for all of your welding and minor fabrication needs. I'm not exactly sure what all he can do, but just send him a DM if you have any questions. If he can't do it, then all he can say is no. On to the next thing. Next up are the Wicked Customs radius arm armor plating. All of this is powder coated. Everything on my whole truck is powder coated Illusion Spanish Fly. So these got shipped to me raw, then I had them powder coated along with the radius arm drop brackets. The truck is now on a 3.5-inch lift instead of 2.5. I also have the Bilstein shocks up front. I took off the boots, sanded those down, gave them like a brushed polish finish. Then I clear coated them because they will rust if you don't clear coat them. Don't ask me how I know, because you already know. And then also, hello? Why is he always in my YouTube videos?
Yeah.
Zach, I'm filming a YouTube video. You are now in the YouTube video.
What it is?
What do you want?
Dude, Walmart sent a fucking rags, or microfibers.
Oh no.
So that means I'm going to stop at a Walmart on the way to the beach and pick some up.
That's okay, we gotta stop and buy American flag swimming trunks for Willie anyway.
Are you shitting me?
No, I'm not.
Alright, sounds good. I gotta stop by Lisa's swimming trunks somewhere too. I don't have any.
I know, we will all have matching swimming trunks.
Alright, sounds good.
Okay, bye.
3 amigos. Alright, bye.
Anyway, as I was saying, so with the 3.5-inch lift, you need drop-down sway bar brackets or you need adjustable end links. So I picked these up from Pure Performance. they sell adjustable end links. These are 4-inch to 6-inch lifted, fully adjustable sway bar end links. They're not like the PMFs with the Heims and stuff, but they are super affordable and look awesome, way better than the factory ones. And then this is a 3.5-inch leveling puck with the drop down 2 to 4-inch radius arm drop brackets to correct all of the caster angle. Also, I have shock extensions so your shocks aren't bottoming out. Let's pop the hood. Got the YouTube logo, Instagram, custom power stroke badge right here. As always, single shot powder coating. Big shout out to those guys over there in Science Hill, Kentucky. Got this engine bay looking mint, along with all of the suspension. Got the color matched headlights. My color is lame and just looks black on camera. Anyway, on to the next thing. Okay, as you can see, we have built a full Heim steering setup, and I will be doing an in-depth video on this Heim steering setup, but my boy Charles welded the bungs in right here, and he also bent the ends of my tie rod bar just to match the factory ones. And then I went ahead and cut the drag length properly. So now we have fully adjustable Heim steering setup, fully powder coated with a, right now we're running the rough country dual steering stabilizer setup until we can build some shock tabs. So that looks pretty clean. So we just got to grind that off sooner or later, weld some shock tabs on there, be a little bit cleaner, a little bit nicer, but looks great for now. And I think it looks super aggressive. The shocks are like kind of angled just a little bit on each side. I think it looks pretty good. It's different. Nobody has it that I've seen. I mean, we built it, so I know nobody has it. And yeah. So the truck's coming along, guys. I just wanted to give a quick update. Everything's turning out perfect. Ignore my black wheels. I hate black wheels. One last thing, and then we'll get back to the video. I put a 15-piece rock light set underneath this truck, 2 in each fender well, and then the other one's like along the body, lighting up the suspension and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw up a quick video of that from nighttime, and then after that video we'll get straight back into it. Everything looks a lot brighter whenever it's not wet out. So the story on these wheels, just so y'all don't think I went out and bought these things, I like them for black wheels. They're nice, they're brand new tires, everything. I'm super blessed to have brand new wheels and tires, but I don't have anything in them. I sold my stock wheels, got a killer price out of my stock wheels, went over here, bought these brand new. So I mean, I'm not complaining. They look better than stocks, I think. I know some people are gonna be like, those rubber bands, brother. Look at that, your rim's sticking out, man. You gonna bust your wheel all to pieces, man. I probably will, but I'm not gonna have them very long anyway, so it doesn't matter. They are for sale. If you are around London, Kentucky and want to set up brand new 22 by 14 305 45s, $2,000 or best offer, pick them up cash today. Back to the video. Since we are going to be in Nope or Myrtle Beach, whatever you want to call it, this weekend, went ahead and put the Instagram logo on there. So if y'all see the truck, take a picture, send it in to the Instagram at JUSTINHAWKSMITH. And yeah, so I just wanted to go over a little bit of things. Is that a word? That's not proper grammar. Oh yes, last thing, the grill. I sold my factory grill and bought this one, so I have nothing in it. And this is gloss black right now. I know, Don't look at it. So this will be getting color matched. The surround will be getting color matched. All these rivets will be getting pressed out. I'll be pressing those out. That'll probably be a video. Pressing those out, and then we're gonna have single shot clear coat this mesh insert, whatever you want to call it. It's all gonna get clear coated to where it will be gloss black. So all the mesh will be gloss black. This rim around the edge will be gloss black. And then instead of these little plastic rivets, we will have 12-point bolts, stainless. And I'll probably polish each one of those, honestly, just because I'm bored. Color match the outside, and then we're gonna have something special for the mesh. We're gonna have something cut out of stainless and polished it, and then an overlay of what we're having cut powder coated. So it'll be stainless and powder coated. Probably gonna do powder coated tow hooks too, just because. Start adding a little bit more of color to this thing. But yeah, so here's the wheels. They are Drop Star 642 MB or something like that. I really don't even know. And then just some cheap Federal Street tires, 305 40s. The exact same tread pattern as the Aturo AZ 800s. Like I said, everything brand new. Wheels and tires all brand new. So if y'all are interested in that, I'm just not a big fan of black wheels. The truck will have 26-inch American Force. I'm not sure what spoke pattern yet, but it will have 26 by 14s on 35-inch Fury mud tires. If you don't like those sizes, I'm sorry. But yeah. So anyway, we will be at Nopi Nationals this weekend in Myrtle Beach. So y'all stay tuned for the YouTube channel. I'll be taking the camera and everything. Be vlogging a little bit, getting some videos, all that stuff. So I want to thank you all for tuning in, checking out the truck, a little update on it. Just wanted to let everybody know my phone's ringing again. But always remember, like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next on the channel. Peace.